Hello students, welcome back to EVS class. In the previous session, we have been discussing about different types of birds. In this session, let us discuss about an interesting topic, nests of birds. If I were a bird, I would sing a song and fly about the whole day long. And when the night comes, go to the rest up in my cozy little nest. Birds build nests for the same reason as man builds his home. They usually lay their eggs in their nest, hatch and nurture the young ones till the time they can fly away. It is also very important to protect their newly hatched young ones from being eaten up by bigger birds and animals. Every kind of bird has its unique ways of building its nest. How birds make their nest? Birds collect dry leaves, straw, hay, grass, and twigs to build their nests. They make their nests soft inside using pieces of cotton or feathers. They select a cozy place in the branches of trees where the nests will not be noticed by bigger birds and animals. Weaver birds. Weaver birds are known to build their best nests. These birds weave a beautiful nest with grass and dry leaves hanging from the branches. The nest has a tunnel-like entrance. The weaver bird also takes care that the nest does not fall down easily. Children, look here how interesting the weaver bird makes its nest. The weaver bird acts like a weaver to make its nest with strips of banana leaves, grass, and other such materials. At the lower end, there is an opening for the bird to come in and go out. It is very attractive. Tailor birds. The tailor bird builds its nest with leaves. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to stitch the leaves together with straw, wool, or cotton. Wool, fine grass, hair, and the cotton keep the tailor bird's nest nice and warm. Children, let us have a look into nest formation of tailor bird. The tailor bird stitches leaves together with the plant fiber and other materials to create its nest. Its nest is lined with dried grasses to keep it warm. Let us see again how the tailor bird make nest. The tailor bird stitches leaves together with the plant fiber and other materials to create its nest. Its nest is lined with dried grasses to keep it warm. Sparrows and pigeons. Most birds build their nest on trees. These birds sometimes make their nests inside houses, especially those that are vacant. They build nests on ceiling fans that are not in use, on top of cupboards, etc. Children, we must never trouble birds by touching their nests, eggs, or their young ones. Birds should be free to fly in open sky. Do not imprison birds within a cage. Be sensitive towards these lovely creatures which make the world a lovely place to live.
Students, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned today. Today we have learned about nests of birds and different types of nests. Children, why do birds build nests? Birds build nests to lay their eggs and protect their young ones from bad weather and predators. It also keeps them warm. Children, we will discuss the question answers in the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.